Hi students, with this topic we are ending up our discussion about producer company. Here we can discuss how to register a producer company. For registering a producer company, the promoters has to obtain digital signature certificate DSC and directors identification number DIN from all directors with self-attested copies of documents like PAN, Aadhaar card and contact details. Next, the promoters have to file the proposed company name in form number 1A with ROC, that is Register of Companies of the respective state, with prescribed fees. If the name is available, the register informs that to the promoters. And the next step is the promoters have to draft the necessary documents like Memorandum of Association and Articles of Association for the company. What this Memorandum of Association specifies? The Memorandum of Association specifies the objects upon which the company is to be incorporated, the amount of capital with which the company is to be registered, that is also specified in this Memorandum of Association of the company. Here you should note that for a producer company, only equity shares are permissible, and with regard the amount of share capital, a minimum of rupees 5 lakh. The share capital must be a minimum of rupees 5 lakh. More than rupees 5 lakh, that is permitted, but the amount of share capital must be at least, the amount of share capital must be minimum, and equity shares are only possible for a producer company. Next, articles of association that should also be drafted that contain the bylaws of the company. And the next step is filing of other documents. The promoters have to file other documents like statutory declaration in form number 1. What is statutory declaration? The statutory declaration declare compliance of all and incidental matters regarding the formation of companies. The next, affidavit signed by the subscribers of the proposed company, that must also be filed. These also is included in the other documents. Then director's consent, director consent to act as a director for the producer company, that must be also filed with the register, to the register. Then utility bill is a written statement showing the electricity cost, water charges, etc. That should also be presented to the register. And no objection certificate. Filing of other documents includes no objection certificate also. No objection certificate, a certificate showing no objection. That should be obtained from the owners whose address will be used as the registered office of the company. Being filing these documents, if the register is satisfied with the authenticity of all these documents and compliance of every formalities and procedures, therefore the producer the register will issue certificate to incorporate the company. The certificate will be issued, after which the company shall become body corporate. Being the register issue certificate for the producer company, the company shall become body corporate as it is private limited company. Here the thing to be noted is that a producer company cannot become public limited company in no circumstances. A producer company is always a private limited company. It will never be a public limited company. That is, the certificate when the certificate is issued by the register, the company shall become a body corporate as it is a private limited company. Thank you.